This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change door speakers in an F150. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a panel removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and of course, your new speakers. Remember to disconnect the negative terminal of your truck's battery before starting any electrical work. This crucial safety step prevents accidental shorts and ensures a smooth installation process. Now, let's tackle the door panel. Begin by using your panel removal tool to carefully pry off the trim piece around the door handle and the window switch. There are usually 1 or 2 screws hidden beneath these trim pieces, often a 7mm or 10mm bolt. Once unscrewed, gently work your way around the edges of the door panel, popping out the retaining clips. Lift the panel upwards and disconnect any electrical harnesses. With the door panel off, you'll see the old speaker. It's usually held in place by 4 screws. Use your screwdriver to remove these, then carefully disconnect the electrical connector. If your new speakers didn't come with a wiring harness adapter, you might need to splice wires, matching positive to positive and negative to negative. Mount your new speaker securely, ensuring it fits snugly into the opening. Almost done. Reconnect all the electrical harnesses to your door panel, including the window switch. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame and firmly push it back into place, ensuring all the clips snap securely. Reinstall all the screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect your truck's battery, turn on your audio system, and enjoy the crisp, clear sound from your brand new speakers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.